Finally I received champs about gift from Dxc. So here I will show you what I get, which type of item Dxc send in the champs about board. So let's start. I'm going to open this one. One by one we will open the pack and then see what item I received. As you can see, there is 3 items. One is wireless mouse I received, and another one is Bluetooth, and the third one is laptop stand. So that's all. I received the 3 items as a champs award from Dxc Technology. So you can see there 3 items. So thank you for watching. In the end, I want to say please like this video and subscribe my channel.